In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Over here. Now scroll again to tap on device unlock and tap on screen lock. Now it's time to apply one of those login methods, swipe, pattern, pin or password. Personally, I never recommend swipe because it doesn't give you any security whatsoever, just padlock animation. So I would recommend to go with one of those. Let's try pattern. Now it's time to create it, and if you made any mistake or change your mind, hit clear at the bottom left corner and create it one more time. You can do that until you get it right. When you're sure though, hit next at the bottom right corner, repeat it to confirm it and tap on confirm. Last but not least, hit done and then apply one of those options to manage lock screen notifications. Answer the question, what do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notifications on lock screen, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!